Let's go Christmas shopping in one day. Time to get some Christmas shopping done. Do you wait until the last minute? Hey, Bonnie. Do you wait till the last minute to do your shopping? Shame on you. So let's head on out and see if we can get all of our shopping done in one day. Alrighty, let's head into town and do some Christmas shopping. Ooh, boy, don't you just love the holiday traffic? Woohoo! This is fun. So on the homestead, do you prefer a fake plastic tree or a real fragrant tree that you cut yourself from out in the woods? I wonder. Baby, it's cold outside. I can't believe they have this Christmas ornament. Let's pick up some metal tins for some homemade holiday cookies and a few stuffed animals for the kiddies. Hey, you can never go wrong with some gift cards. Pick up a few of these. Oh, wow, I bet Sherry wants one of these for Christmas. They feel pretty nice. What do you guys think? What do you think? You think Sherry would like one or two of these for Christmas in her stocking? Some stuffers? Oops, that's not funny. Christmas story, bunny suit. Oh my goodness. And some unicorn slippers. They're not pink fuzzy, but they're close. I think I'm going to pick up this pink bunny suit from A Christmas Story for myself. I look good. Man, look at all these cookies and snacks and things. Man, this is making me hungry. I can't believe they have all this food here. All these treats that we shouldn't be eating. I'm going to have to go get something to eat. Hey, let's head in here and get some donuts and some coffee. Oh man, they don't have very many to pick from today. Elf in a donut. Chocolate glaze. My favorite. I love these things. Ooh, man, that is hot. Hey, let's go back to you-know-where and pick up some extra gift cards. You can never have too many of these. And we're on our way back home. All of our shopping in one trip. Woo-wee! Yippee! See, that wasn't too bad. Make a few stops here and there. Get a few things. All those needed things like bunny suits and pink fuzzy slippers and all those things that everybody wants at Christmas. I'm probably getting a tie. Self-sufficient homesteading with a tie on. So if you're too busy, now you know what to do. Living happy, fun-loving, and carefree. Live life DIY.